Okay, foodies, so Chef Pete is making his famous, well, actually, world famous ribs. And these ribs have already been done in the pressure cooker, and I'm gonna take them out. And they're falling off the bone already because I need them over here on the platter because I'm going to put some sauce. Now in the bucket here, in the pressure cooker, I still have some, there we go, sauce. But this is all fat and everything else, and so what we don't want to do here is use that up. So now what we're going to do is take our barbecue sauce, or the barbecue sauce you make, whichever you like. I'm using this, and I'm going to paint the top of these because I'm going to turn the broiler on in a minute and put these under the broiler. So we're just going to paint the tops just like this. Don't worry about it if there's fat there or whatever. Everybody will cut it off at the table. It makes for a delicious rib. Okay, let's get some more on here. There we go. Okay. All right, let's go here like this. There we go. And, make sure you get enough on here because what we want to do is get it under the broiler so we get a nice, beautiful glaze. Look at that. Just get it right on top, just like this. Use your little brush or a spoon or whatever you like, okay? And there we go. So this is going to go into the broiler until you see all of this boiling, bubbly, 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 hot, and you bring it to the table and there you have it. Okay, so this is Pete. Give this easy way to fix ribs 365 days of the year or 12 months, whether it's snowing, raining, hailing, heating, whatever it is. So this is Pete always, wishing you the best. Watch these shorts, watch the longs, watch the playlists. Go there. All of these things are put together. We love you all. Pete out.